Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Jaguar XF. So, any screen here, you've got the home button there, you've got telephone here, you've got settings there. If I click on settings, you've got Bluetooth. Now, you can get to it two ways. So if I go to Bluetooth, so click on settings, go to Bluetooth, search for Bluetooth devices, make system discoverable, list of paired devices. So we'll go to list of paired devices, there you go. And you'll see there, John's phone, Barry's iPhone Pro. So I've deleted it off my phone. If I click on there like that, you'll see there a new menu comes up, rename Barry's iPhone, delete pairing, connect for phone, connect for music, connect all. I want to delete pairing, so delete pairing. Delete pairing for Barry's iPhone 15 Pro. Yes, it's gone. That's it. It's gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Jaguar XF. First of all, we go to settings. Then we're watching out at the bottom. Over here, you've got telephone just there. Second one up on the right. Click on telephone. No phone connected. Connect to device now. Yes. Search for Bluetooth devices. Yes. That's looking for my phone, or it's looking for a phone. It's brought up Jaguar XF. Click on Jaguar XF. It's thinking about it. Barry's iPhone 15 Pro there. Click on that. Pairing. That was too quick for me to read, but basically it says, do these numbers match? Bluetooth pairing request 004956 pair and 004956. Does this passkey match? Yes. Allow. Jaguar XF connected. That's it done. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio through the Bluetooth system in this 2016 Jaguar XF. So we find a track that we like. You see at the bottom there, I've put my iTunes on, Jaguar XF. Now, let me just see. Your choices there are iPhone or Jaguar XF. There's a tick next to Jaguar XF. That means anything that plays on this phone, whether it be Spotify, Amazon Prime Music, iTunes, the soundtrack of a YouTube video, it will all come through the speakers if you have it set right. So I'm going to click play, and that's over to the system, and you'll see here the clapperboard and the music note. Click on there. It's on auxiliary at the moment, so you've got source in the top. There's nothing plugged into auxiliary, so nothing playing. Go to source, click Bluetooth, it's loading, and there you go. Slow hand clap. That's how you do it. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2016 Jaguar XF. From any screen, over here you've got a circle with an arrow in it. We click on there, or you can go to home, click on home, and then again the sat nav there. So that's it. If I click that again, it brings up another menu. Where to, map view, favorites, information, emergency. Where to, click on where to. And then address, enter postcode. Enter postcode is the quickest. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston. PR, it's defaulted to numbers. 5, 4, E, A. Again, the Jaguar Land Rover system, you don't have to put a space in, it's automatically put a space in for the 2 digits and not 3. Then we have to click on, even though we've just typed it in, you've got to click on it again.
Calculated.
So there you go, and now even though you've clicked on it, you've got to click yes for it to start.
Please turn right in 300 yards onto Sharp Lane, then turn left.
That's it. That's the way you do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.